Hello.
How do I make it stop recording and start again? I did.
To those things. No! Come show me! Welcome on back, ladies. It's your favorite around the way girl, Naturally Candace, and as promised, today is going to be my dedicated hair regimen video. If you watched my previous video, you'll know that I am actually currently rehabbing my hair. My hair has been shedding really bad, been very dry and brittle, so I decided to dedicate the next couple of months to rehab my hair. I don't want the video to be too long, so there will be some stuff that I'm going to be talking about, like my Aloe Pre Poo. I won't go into detail about the Pre Poo because there will be a separate video dedicated just to the Pre Poo. So I'm just going to go over really quickly what I'm going to be doing to my hair every week. So the first thing that I'll be doing for my hair regimen is I'll be starting with a Aloe Pre Poo, applying fresh aloe directly to my scalp. Aloe has so many healthy benefits for your hair, it is crazy. I'm going to do a dedicated video to my Aloe Pre Poo so you can know exactly what I'm doing step by step. But I'll be starting my wash day with my Aloe Pre Poo, and then I will wash my hair. I've currently started to wash my hair in 8 smaller sections to help with shedding. After I wash my hair, I'll follow it up with a black tea rinse. Like I said, I'll do a video dedicated to the black tea rinse, but in short, your body produces a hormone, and caffeine in the black tea helps to combat the shedding. So after I wash my hair, every week I'll be doing a black tea rinse, and I'll use that time to gently finger detangle my hair in those 8 small sections. After I do the black tea rinse, I'll rinse the black tea out and follow it up with a deep conditioning of my choice. Recently, I've been using just a regular store-bought deep conditioner. I think the last time I used the Aunt Jackie's Deep Coconut Repair Conditioning, but I really want to try to use some all-natural stuff, so my deep conditioning will actually probably change week to week based on what my hair needs. I think this week I'm going to try the banana and avocado deep conditioning mask. So that's what I'll be using for deep conditioning. After I deep condition my hair, of course, I'll rinse that out. And then the biggest thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm not going to be applying any heat to my hair. I'm not going to be doing any twist outs, any perm rods, any styles of that nature. I'm going to be protective styling for the next 5 to 6 months. So to naturally let my hair dry and to help it with stretching, I'm either going to be braiding it in 8 small braids and letting it dry overnight, or I'm going to try some different ways to stretch my hair, like with the wire method that I recently seen, as well as the old school black thread to help stretch my hair. Once I let my hair air dry overnight, I will follow it up with a protective style. I really don't want to do any extra styling, any heat or blow drying or twist out or wash and goes, because I don't want to add any extra manipulation to my hair because I am suffering from really bad shedding right now. So that is one of my main goals of my hair rehab, is to really combat the shedding and the thinning of my edges, and also maintaining hair growth. So along with my consistent hair regimen, I told you guys previously I was going to be taking hair vitamins, and I've also started to do black castor oil every morning. I take about 4 to 5 drops and just smooth it around and rub it in, gently massaging it to my edges as well as my little suffer spot over here. So along with my Pre Poo, my regular wash day, my black tea rinse, my deep conditioning, my low manipulation protective styling, I also am doing black castor oil around my edges every morning. So hopefully I will really start to see some positive hair results within these next couple of weeks. I think my go-to style is going to be the mini twists, just because I love them and the upkeep of them is so easy to do. But even when I'm rocking my mini twist, I still will be keeping with the same hair regimen, because consistency is going to be key to get my hair back to a healthy state. also to really start to see hair growth. If you haven't watched my previous video, you really need to check it out so you can understand what I'm going through and what my goals are for my hair rehab. The only thing that will change in my hair regimen when I have the mini twist, instead of actually washing my scalp, I'll be doing a apple cider vinegar rinse every week, but I'll still pre-poo, I'll still do the black tea rinse, and I'll still deep condition as normal. One last thing before I go, I did switch out my regular spray bottle with regular water and switched over to using aloe water. Like I said, aloe has so many healthy benefits for your hair. So I do refresh my hair every day normally by just spraying regular water on it. But the fact that my hair doesn't retain moisture for longer than a day or so, I decided to try out aloe water. And it's very easy to make. I actually will have a dedicated video on how you can make your own aloe water at home. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't checked out my previous video, my hair chat, hair rehab video, be sure to check that out because I'm going to do my hair rehab as a series. I'm going to be dropping videos every Tuesday and Thursday, and I'm going to try to keep them in order. So today I did the hair regimen. On Thursday I'll be dropping my pre-poo. Next week I'll be dropping the black tea rinse and how to do your own mini twist. So hopefully if you guys are taking this journey with me, it will flow step by step and we both can see positive results. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, all of that good stuff. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and I don't know why I have to tell you guys this every week. Like, I know you guys are already doing it, but just in case you aren't. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, Queen, be great.